you want to learn how to do makeup, this is it.
Okay.
This is your chance.
Hello everyone! Welcome back! Happy New Year! I know we're all excited for 2021. Wish us all good health, that we're always safe, and of course for this pandemic to end already so that we can go back to normal. As you have seen on the title for today's video, is my most awaited, most anticipated, and my dream vlog. It's my husband does my makeup challenge. By the way, this is my husband, Chino. Say hi to my viewers.
Hello, viewers.
Oh my God, so awkward. Are you excited?
I am excited. Ito
Go.
yung pinakaantay naming collaboration. If you want to learn how to do makeup, this is it.
Okay.
This is your chance.
Take it away.
Okay, first, use this. That's my wife's favorite. Whatever. But first, facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea.
Huwag mo na pasahin, baka hindi matapos.
You wet the face first, then you dry it. Mabango yan. Mabango siya. I-dry nyo pero matagal ma-dry. So you have to be patient.
Within the day ba tayo matatapos?
Because if you're my wife, just doesn't have any patience.
Huwag mo akong siraan.
Pwede na.
Ang wish ko pala, Sarah, hindi kami mag-away sa
This is
pagkatapos
Bobby.
itong
This is
video
Bobby
na.
Brown. You can't see.
Muna pakita.
You can see that. Whatever.
Konti lang, mahal yan ha. Mga 10 taon ko gagamitin.
Ba't nag-makeup ka ba?
Ano ba itong makeup?
Eh, hindi mo naman kailangan niya. Maganda ka naman na.
Huwag na natin gawin to.
Hindi gawin natin ito. Collab to eh. Nag-makeup tayo eh. Hey guys!
Napakatagal naman niya ko ikaw nagbe-makeup. Baka...
Nag-ano na siya, namumula-mula na siya. Pala yung Bobby Brown is to
ano?
put on her face. Let's use the foundation.
In fairness, alam niya. Yan ang gusto mo.
Oh. Harap ka na harap doon.
Tinitingnan ko kinakabahan ako.
Use the
What is that?
cotton ball. Cotton ball.
Cotton ball.
Anong malik? Umayos ka.
May future ko. Bakit tayo magtayo ng parlor?
Ang kulit nito.
Matagal ba ako mag-prepare?
At tayo, nung i-makeup ka tayo, sa foundation ka na. Pag ikaw nag-makeup.
Habang hindi ako nagpa-foundation talaga.
Oh, look at your face. We're gonna use the eyeliner right now. Because eyeliner is life.
Okay.
Eyeliner, you put that on the tip of your pupils.
Dati ma'am yan po.
Dito yata tayo eyeliner.
Naramdaman ko mali ka.
Eyeliner.
Pangay ka din dyan!
Namamali ako sa'yo eh. Nanginginis ako sa'yo.
Oh my God.
Ako kasi ng tawa eh.
Ba't parang nasa ano ko na? Pa-chicks na yun eh. And then what's next? Come on!
Lipstick.
Lipstick. This is lipstick.
Let's do your eyebrow first.
My God, nakikita ko yung mata ko.
Tingin ka ng tingin eh.
Sige
Wala
na.
ka talagang, wala po talagang ano to eh.
Ano?
Wala talaga. Wala tayong magagawa.
Ano ba talaga
Ito
gagawin?
nga oh.
O kaya na.
This is for your eyebrows. Ano yung tingin doon? Ito hindi ka clear eh. Not very effective. We're going to change.
Oh my goodness. Meron yan.
Wala. Wala. Hindi po siya gumagana siya. Oh, this one is the gimme brow. Because she doesn't have any brow, I'll give her a brow.
Excuse me, may brow ako.
Walang kulay.
Ano bang walang kulay? Ano bang gusto mong kulay? Ano bang ina-achieve nating look for today?
Pang miss you.
Miss you? Miss Universe?
Hmm.
Yung winner o yung talo na?
He's third runner up. This is from MAC. This is a lipstick. Pouch your lips.
Ilalagay ko daw to sa lips.
Oh, concealer pala to. Concealer, you put it right here.
So, bakit yan ang napili mong concealer?
Ganda kasi kulay nito.
Habang hindi mo naman siya nakita. Habang hindi mo naman siya nakita apat.
Ito gusto ko
Okay, sige.
Oh, there you go.
So, sabihin mo, how many years have we been married?
How many years have we been married?
Tatanong ba eh?
Ano mo sabihin ko eh?
Kaya nga, how many years nga?
Okay. Been married for 2 years.
3 years? Hindi ka ba nagsawa?
No, there's no sawa here.
Aww.
Only
Only?
warmth. Walang sawa.
Ay.
Walang sawa. Oo, kung ba't niya natanong mo, siguro siya sawa na.
Wow.
Sawa na siya sa buhay niya. Sige, let me see. Wow, very light lang. Oh, there you go. Kakoncentrate ako. Ano ba paborito mong lipstick? Teka, meron ka. Hirap kakulaban nitong babae. Hirap makapag-collab sa'yo ah. Ano?
Dapat pala ka mag-makeup sa akin everyday. Willing ka ba mag-makeup sa akin everyday? Ha?
Willingly yours.
So may mga nagtatanong pala, ba't ang galing mong mag-picture daw? Instagram, husband.
Sino sabi?
Wala lang.
May mga fan na nabantang
Oo,
sa...
meron. Meron, mga dalawa. Si daddy isa.
Pag hindi maayos ang kuha mo, magtatagal ka rin naman 100 times. Ayaw mo nun. Iinit lang ulo mo. Kaya kailangan, unang take, galingan mo na. Kundi parehas kayo mainit ang ulo. Wala na nangyari sa inyo. Uwi na kayo ng talunan. Next.
Okay, what's next? Oh my goodness.
So, ito pang blush on, color red. There you go. Sayang, nakakapalang ka eh. Look at that.
Ang pangit naman. Bakit nasa panganay mo? Nasa panganay blush?
Put this so you won't be oily.
Oh,
Because
fairness.
you're getting a little oily from
Do I really get oily?
being nervous
Bang being nervous.
in front of me. Pag gusto niya malibang, make-upan niya yung asawa niya. Para malaman yung totoong ugali. Eyeshadow. We're gonna like this.
Ito. So, ito yung third runner-up look. Okay.
First runner-up. Makagaan ka na ng iba sa akin.
Oh, what do you like about me? What do you love about me?
Your face. I like you. That's what I like about you.
What?
Your attitude and your face.
What else?
Because you're smart and talented. Very fun to be with. And since gold na yung mata niya, dadagdagan natin ng konting shadow pa sa ibabaw ng mga siguro green.
Go, sis.
Let's add a little bit more red.
Baka hindi ka pa kontento sa labi ko.
This is red? No, because you have redness on your...
So, dapat red all over.
Oh, this is red. Ayusin mo.
Ang pangit.
Now, contour. That's your number one friend.
Number one friend, so why didn't you do it first?
That's the last. Marc Jacobs. Maganda talaga yung mga product. Daanin nyo sa pangalan.
Medyo dark yan, ingatan mo ah. Kilala kita.
Do your jaw line.
Malaki ba yung panga ko?
No. Sakto lang yung panga mo. Mas malaki siya.
Ano mas malaki siya?
Sa panga ko. If you guys, please like and subscribe to my wife's channel. Wala pa talaga akong channel, pero nagko-collab na kami.
O, di ba nauna na yung collab mo
For
kaysa
the
sa...
future.
For future reference.
There you go. Lumiit na.
So, malaki yung panga ko? Nalalaki yan kasama
Hindi
ko?
ako nalalakihan.
Bakit mo pinapaliit?
Ganyan talaga. Kailangan mo talaga yung ganyan. Kaya may ganito eh. Let's use the smaller brush. I love everything about you.
Oh my God!
I can eat you right now.
Nakakati Hindi ka, totoo lang ah.
Sige, sige, sige. Let me see nga, let me see. Let me see. Diba? Oh, mascara. Sa pilig mata.
Mascara nga eh. Saan ba yung mascara sa lips?
Wow, look at you. And last but not the least, we're gonna do her eyebrows again.
Eyebrows again?
Because there's no color. There you go. There you go. Now we're talking.
So ano bang gusto mo? May makeup ako o wala?
Wala.
Wala? Eh, ba't ako pala makeup ko?
Ay, di ba nagpa-practice nga tayo ng
Okay.
paano makeup? You like it?
Do you like it?
I love it.
Okay.
Because I believe we're done. Let's do this.
Highlighter.
Highlighter.
What's that for?
Highlight all the colors in the face. To make it lighter.
To make it lighter. Okay, why not? That's the last one.
All over the face.
Oh my god, we're almost done. We're done.
Saan mo yung mukha mo? Yung
Saan mo yung mukha mo?
Saan mo yung mata mo? You ready to see your face?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Ako magulat ka. Ako pa-makeup ka sa akin.
Ready na nga?
Ready for this.
Dali.
You're born for this.
You're not born for... I'm always born for... Oh my God! Bakit ganyan? Bakit nakadito na yung ano?
Like it? Ang gulo mo kasi make-upan eh. Kaya kumalat. Pero maganda.
Kumalat? Muntik na kumalat, no?
Tingnan mo na. Dapat lagyan pa natin ng green. Ibang kulay.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. I kind of like this makeup look my husband created. It's wearable, but
It's not wearable.
but not really. Thank you for this collaboration. This is your first and maybe the last.
My pleasure.
Thank you for hanging out with us, and this is probably the last. No, this is really the last video for this year, and see you on 2021. So, any message?
Just like and subscribe. And click the bell button right here. The bell button. See you next year.
Okay, so,
Halika na,
ready?
gutom na.
I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Kiss mo na.
Miss Ice, what can you say about my eyes?